So entering Nola City Park, it's an incredible dog park in New Orleans. It's huge. I believe it's over 4 acres. There's a designated small dog area here to the right with its own water fountain and miniature agility equipment for dogs, playground. You're going to see water fountains throughout this park along the path. There's a showering station here where you can rinse your dogs off when you're finished, along with restrooms for humans. But you can really see the massive size of this park. Dogs are playing quite nicely. There's Nesta going to meet a new friend. On the other side of the park, there are bathing pools for the dogs. There are large bathing pools the dogs can lay down in when it gets hot. If you live in New Orleans, you didn't know this park existed. It's in City Park. Requires a pass from City Park that can be obtained at their office after submitting vaccination records. If you're visiting New Orleans, I would highly recommend trying to get a temporary pass. They may offer one. But this is not a park you want to miss out on.